I know you probably missed me, or maybe not, but I've been gone for like 2 or 3 weeks. I went to Houston, Texas to visit some fam, and I'm back now. I'm also back with some pink hair, so I hope y'all dig that as well. Just wanted to continue the Ulta haul that I had in previous videos of all the products that I had bought. I still have a lot of products that I'm trying to review, so I'm trying to review as many products as possible. I still have a couple more liners and things like that in different shades, but we're gonna be doing the Kat Von D eyeshadow stick in Green Flash, and then the Garden of Juvia's, the colored liner in Aqua. Also in Electric Lime. I'm gonna be doing an eye look with all 3 of these and showing you guys what I can do and what it looks like, and we're gonna try them out and see how I like them. Wanted to update a little bit about the TULA products as well. I'm gonna put the video right here, but go check that out and look at my skin and just see from just a month ago like how much the TULA products have cleared up my skin. I absolutely love the products. Definitely recommend you guys go check them out. I think it's worth definitely spending the money for the products. So let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to try this out not using any primer or anything because I kind of want to see what it looks like just naked on the eye. I really love the packaging. It's very beautiful. Okay, so right off the bat, I really like the color and it's very pigmented. I'm just gonna kind of fix this a little bit. It's very beautiful, especially after you pat it in a little bit and kind of blend it out. Really digging it. I'm vibing it. I am very, I love it. I love it. We're going to try these liners out now. I can see that this is gonna be like a feather in the paint, dip in the paintbrush kind of thing, because you know you might have to reapply liner on there a couple times. I do like how vibrant it is though. I really do like that. We're gonna try the Electric Lime now and see what that looks like. I want to make this into a look, you guys, so don't worry. By the end of the video, it's gonna look great. Okay, I'm just kind of like reviewing these as I go, like trying them out. It's definitely electrically lime. It's very electric lime, but again, you know, you're gonna have to dip it a couple times if you really want it to show up. I'm gonna actually take this off and do, like I said, a whole look with this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. I just wanted to kind of show you what they look like, and I'll also come back and let you know how difficult it is or is not to get off my eyelid as well. So BRB. I really don't like the eyeliners. They're really hard to get off. I would recommend using oil if you're gonna buy them. The only thing I really like is the vibrancy of them, but other than that, you gotta keep dipping it in the thing to get more on the brush, and the brush is very hard. It's not very nice to the eyelid, and it's kind of hard to draw a straight line. But I have other colors in the same eyeliners, so I'm gonna continue to do looks with them and continue to review them anyways. As far as if I would buy this product again, probably not. So yeah, sorry JUVIA'S please. So I'm gonna actually be doing the powdered shadow. So I got these, and I've actually been looking for these. I'm so happy I found them because they were at this like random store in the mall in Houston. Everything was $1. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try them because I've been looking for these and I want to try them out. So we're going to use them today and see how they do. We're gonna see if $1 matters or if I should find higher quality things. There's this little paper that comes off. Hopefully this comes off easily because I don't want it to be like a mask and then it like rip my eyelashes out or something. All right, now we're in business. I'm gonna say this does feel very weird wearing these, but honestly, I'm here for it. So let's do this. I'm gonna be working out of my Morphe 35M palette, and we're gonna be using Sultry Ways. It's this black right here. I'm not gonna do too deep a black because I kind of want to be focused on the eyeliner in this look. We're using our precision blending tip from Eco Tools. This is the finished look. I call this Electric Vibes. I was trying to make it shorter for you guys because I know watching 15 minutes of can get kind of boring, but otherwise, check out my other videos. Please don't forget on your way out to subscribe and then turn on those post notifications so that you know every time I post, you get a ding, 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 I posted. Please catch me in my next video, guys. I'll see you next time. And don't forget to stay beautiful.